Hi friends, in this video I'm going to explain alien registration for your son or daughter. As per Trump administration this year it is required to submit the G325R registration whoever not done the fingerprinted. So this is most helpful people who live in USA not in India. So I hope this will be useful to you. Let's start. So please visit my uscis.gov site and you can create an account for your kids. So I would suggest to create with their email ID, even though you can access that, but it is better to create with their email ID. So provide their email ID and submit. It will give a link to your Gmail or whatever and create the complete the registration. So while completing the registration, it will ask for what type of account you are creating, like it is an independent account or you are an attorney, like that. Please choose independent account. I already did for my daughter, so I can show you the screenshot because I cannot do more than one for the same account. So for example, if you have two kids, you have to create two accounts and submit one from one account and another one from one account. Okay, so it will give you a, like once you create the account, redirect to sign in page. Please enter your email address and password, click on sign in. So you will see a screen like this: file a form online or add case your account. So please click on file a form online. So you will get a screen like this. Select G325R biographic information registration. So it will show you a screen. What is this registration? And this will be a $0 fee. Click on start. So from here, the actual form starting actually. So is someone assisting you with the completing this application? So for your kid, you are doing so that is yes, correct. Yes, you have to mention. And is preparer assisting? Yes, you are preparing for your kid. That's why you have to mention yes. And is an interpreter assisting? No. Click on next. What is your full name? Please mention your full name and your what is your preparer's business organization name is nothing, because if you are not part of any business organization, uh, mention that it is empty. Otherwise, uncheck this and add your business organization. Provide your date and mobile number. It is this itself is enough. No need to provide mobile, but if you want to provide mobile, do that. And give an email address to. Then what is your current legal name? This is an applicant's, like your daughter or son's legal name, first and last name. And have you used other names since birth? If you have anything, click an yes and provide that name. Otherwise, no. How may we contact you? Please provide your telephone number. So I gave my number only, even for my kid, and mention their email address if you have. Like whatever you registered, no. So most probably that will be the email address actually. Then what is your current mailing address or safe address? Please provide your current mailing address. If that is same as your physical address, please mention yes. Otherwise, give one more address for mailing. Is your current mailing address same as your physical address? That's what, yes or no? So it is one. And how long you are staying with your current address? So provide that dates. So what is your date of birth? Your kid date of birth and where they born and what is the country they born, and what is your country citizenship? Give that. Your address. So apart from your current address, they are asking you to provide till up to 5 years. So please provide your previous address if you are not in the same address from last 5 years. So when did you last arrive? Your recent travel history, like when did you last arrival and that date and place of arrival, which place you arrived, and immigration status. Okay, that you have to provide. And date of immigration status or expired based on your I-797 or I-94. What is your I-94 arrival departure? So please mention your I-94 record number and your I-94 or your I-797 expiry date. So since entry, what they are doing, in what activities they are being engaged. So usually they'll go to school and learn something like karate or whatever. You can mention that. In what activities do you intend between now and expected date? So usually here what is your expected date of departure is, for now you have your I-797 validate date, right? Please mention that. So from now to that date, what they are going to do, it is usually they'll go to school again, and how long they expect to remain in the United States based on your date. So they don't have any A number. So as they are kids dependents, they should not have any A number. So click on uncheck it. They do not have A number. So this is USCIS. So they don't have I online account number too. So check on they don't have USCIS number. And what is your yeah, mention this their biographic information like gender, ethnicity, race, and height, weight. So these are some police and criminal record information. Just do almost no, but go through the questions and do the answer. So currently married, no. And provide father's information as well as mother's information like their first name, last name. This first name, last names for any one applicant or mother or father I gave as per passport, and father's date of birth and the city of birth, citizenship, and place of residing currently, and as well as same for mother. So here additional evidences what I have submitted is like the kids 539 approval and my I-797 approval, kids birth certificate and marriage certificate and their passport, kids passport. So I have two, old one and new, so I uploaded both. So if there is any additional information apart from this, you can submit that, otherwise it's not required. So check your form before you submit. It is kind of a review. So go through all the things once, cross check all your answers, whatever you mentioned. And then it will ask for the preparer signature. As you are doing for your kids, you need to download the form and submit, fill the form and signature and then submit here. So here it will ask submit 0325, submit it. Once it's submitted, it will create a case and send you an email with the case number. Like we received a case, something like that. So once they received the case, you can even see it in your portal, like biographic information registration. Case was received a receipt notice. Okay. Registration was received, but receipt notice not sent. So if you have any comments on this, they will mention on this. So overall, if you have two kids, create two separate accounts with their emails. Like for example, if you have a kid AAA, they have a email address with aaa@gmail.com, right? Register with that account, even if it is minor, and submit the form with the preparer as you are preparing it, and mention your preparer names and details, everything as per your passport. Uh, Provide all the additional documents like 539 or whatever it is and submit. So USCIS will receive your case and they will update you through the comments or through email if anything is required. Hope you guys understand this very clearly. So if you have any kids lesser than 14 years, if they didn't do any biographic like fingerprint in the India before coming to USA, even if they are like 7 years or 8 years also, I would recommend you to submit this. If nothing is required, you are good. But if something is required, they will let you know. Otherwise, everything will be going good. Thank you.